Still troubled by the tedious installation of solar brackets, the Solaris wave system supports both penetrating and non-penetrating installation methods, enabling flexible compatibility with a variety of roof profiles. The Soeasy pre-assembled solution makes installation a breeze. L bracket kit, high support, stable and reliable. Hanging bolt kit, special for wafting, just use it by penetration. Trapezoidal clamp kit, for metal roofs, quick installation. Adjustable bracket kit, flexible angle suitable for uneven roofs. Fix the bolts to the tile peaks, secure the components to the steel beams. Tighten the bolts, ensuring waterproofing and firmness. The bolts should be at the same height. Tighten them with a small wrench, place the guide rails on the base, and ensure the guide rails at both ends are aligned. Place the solar panel, pass for pressing plates into the guide rail, and tighten and secure them using a cordless drill or an Allen wrench. After installation, check each clamp and guide rail to ensure they are firm and compliant. Wide adaptability, suitable for most metal roofs, durable, made of AL6005T6 material, with good corrosion resistance. Easy installation, pre-assembled parts, reduce steps and minimize installation costs. High compatibility, compatible with various solar panel sizes and different trapezoidal metal roofs. Safe and reliable, minimizes penetration and damage to the roof structure, maintaining its integrity and service life. Innovative design, block structure allows snap-in installation at any position on the guide rail. No pre-positioning needed, and quick locking. 10-year-long warranty for customer peace of mind. Contact us now.